Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. How to remove text on your image. First we have to understand content aware. Like a small dot, we need small additional spaces around the dot. Now we can go edit and fill content aware. But here we cannot achieve the result with this technique. So what I do now, take magic wand and select entire white color. After that take rectangle marquee tool, divide the selection only the text area. After that go to select menu, modify and expand. Here expand the selection around 5 to 8 pixel. Now go to edit menu, fill content aware. So you can achieve your result. Still if you want any small patchwork, go and take healing brush tool, press Alt key and take source, then slowly patch the area. This is how simply you can remove the text on your image.